Hi, my name is Matt Colligan. I'm the owner and founder of HomePride. So if you're watching this video, chances are you're interested in remodeling your bathroom. This is a big decision. It may be one of the biggest or most significant investments that you make in your home, one that'll last for years to come. Therefore, it's essential to make an informed decision regarding the materials and your contracting partner. So here at HomePride, we've partnered with thousands of customers just like you to deliver exceptional bathrooms. Through the years, we've come to understand the importance of making sure that we're the right fit for our customers. Just as you're trying to figure out if HomePride is the right company for you, we're also figuring out if your project is the right fit for us. That's why we've created this video, to answer the top questions homeowners ask us before setting an appointment. So how much is this going to cost? That's what everyone asks, and they should. But if the number you've got in your head came from a quick Google search, we need to have a different kind of conversation. That $5,000 figure, it's clickbait. Most of those websites aren't written by contractors, they're written by marketers, just trying to get your email. They throw out the lowest number they can to find to get your attention, then leave it to the contractor to disappoint you. Here's the truth. According to the 2024 Cost versus Value Report, a mid-range bathroom remodel averages $24,000 nationally. Here in Colorado, based on actual competitive bids, we typically see projects ranging from $14,000 to $40,000. That depends on your materials, your layout, and whether you're remodeling just the wet area or the whole bathroom. Now, most people say, okay, but what if I just do the shower? Well, let's be clear. The wet area alone usually makes up 70% of the total cost. So even if you're just tackling the shower, you're still looking at the bulk of the investment. And here's where things really start to separate. Most competitor bids we see, they're quoting acrylic or plastic shower systems. Lightweight, mass-produced, easy to crack. At HomePride, we use a solid surface stone called Luck Stone from Kohler. It's heavy duty, beautiful, built to last. It's the difference between temporary and timeless. So you've looked at the numbers and you're thinking, yeah, this makes sense. Let's take the next step. Good. Here's exactly what will happen next.
I can totally make that happen for you.
You'll get a call from our team to schedule your in-home design consultation. It'll happen on your terms at a time that works for you. Now, we do have a request. We ask that all homeowners try to be present. We know schedules can be hectic and everyone has their own process. We respect that. But we've also listened closely to thousands of our customers. And time again, the best experiences, they come when everyone involved is part of the conversation from the beginning. It helps prevent misunderstandings, it makes decisions easier, and it gives you the confidence that nothing got lost in translation. It's not about pressure, it's about peace of mind. So once your appointment is booked, you'll get a welcome packet by email. Inside you'll find a what to expect guide, so you know exactly how your consultation will go. Our HomePride Standards Guide laying out how we will work, how we will show up, and what we stand for. And a video message from your designer.
That's a great question.
So you know who they are before they even knock on your door. We want this to feel clear, comfortable, and collaborative. So we start with a conversation.
Our team of agents.
Not a pitch, just a designer meeting you where you are. That's how HomePride does it. So what's the consultation like? It's not a pitch, it's not a demo, it's a real conversation. Our consultant is coming to understand you, your goals, your space, your priorities, not just your square footage. They'll take a look at your bathroom, what's working, what's not, and talk through what you want to improve. Maybe it's function, maybe it's style, maybe it's safety, maybe it's all three. We're here to figure that out together. We don't believe in high pressure anything. We believe in a gracious experience. What does that mean? It means we lead with respect. We listen more than we talk. We guide you, not push you through the process. So here's how we do it.
Hi, are you Julie?
We start with a gracious welcome so that you feel comfortable, not caught off guard. Then we talk about your outcomes. What would make this remodel feel like a win for you? What does success look like? From there, we walk through your needs, challenges, and standards. Because every homeowner has different priorities, we want to make sure we meet yours with precision, not assumptions. We even talk about budget without awkwardness, because transparency builds trust, not tension. And finally, if it's the right fit, we'll walk through a solution together, one that's designed with you, not just for you. You might have one idea of what your bathroom could be, but by the end of our consultation, you'll see what it truly can become. Beautiful, functional, built to last. We don't send you off to some cold warehouse showroom. We bring the showroom to you. Samples, finishes, product options, they all come right to your table so you can see, touch what's possible in your own light, in your own space. No pressure, no tricks, just a trusted guide, helping you make the best decision for your home. That's what our consultation looks like. You've worked with your designer, you've picked your layout, your finishes, your new bathroom is mapped out. So how long until the work begins? Totally fair question. The average start time for installation is about 8 to 10 weeks. But it isn't a delay, it's a buildup. Here's what most people don't realize. The moment your design is finalized, we order every part just for you. Your materials aren't sitting on a shelf, they're in motion, being manufactured, packaged, and shipped. Some of it's custom. That means your project is already underway. And in many cases, the factory has started the process based on your exact choices. It's not theoretical, it's happening. At this stage, the investment is made. The timeline isn't idle, it's active. There's no longer a maybe, it's a production schedule, one tailored specifically to you. What if I need my project done sooner? If you're in a situation where time matters, let us know. We offer rapid install options for our homeowners who need to move fast. We'll do everything we can to accommodate your timeline while still delivering quality. Throughout the process, we stay in touch. You get updates from us every 2 weeks, so you always know where things stand. Once everything's arrived at our warehouse and checked in, we'll call to schedule your installation dates. You'll receive a video introduction from your installer so you know who's coming out into your home before the work even begins. So yes, there's a wait. But it's not empty time. It's build time. It's prep time. It's forward momentum. Working for you. We're already on it. And when the day comes, your bathroom will show it. You've been planning, preparing, and now you want to know. Once we start, how long is it actually going to take? Totally fair. Most of our remodels take 2 to 3 days, sometimes shorter, sometimes longer, depending on your scope of work and materials. But here's what's important. You won't be guessing. Your project manager will walk you through the full timeline well in advance before an installer ever steps foot in the home. That way you can plan around it with clarity. Now, barring any unforeseen challenges, we'll stick to that timeline. That's the goal. And in most every case, that's exactly what happens. But let's be real, it's construction. Sometimes things pop up, a hidden plumbing issue, a manufacturer delay, something we didn't see until the walls came down. When that happens, we don't disappear, we communicate. All we ask is a little flexibility when the unexpected shows up, because how we handle it is just as important as how we planned it. And just to be clear, once we're on your job, we stay on your job. We don't pull crews off and bounce to the next house. We don't leave you hanging. we finish what we start the right way. So whether it's 1 day, 4 days, or a few more, you'll always know we're right there doing it right. When it comes to remodeling, budget is part of the design. That's why we don't treat financing like an afterthought. We treat it like one of the tools in your toolbox. Our goal is simple. You tell us your goals, we show you what's possible, and if we're getting close to the top of your budget, we'll tell you in real time. No surprises, no assumptions. You choose the path forward. If there's a way we can use creative financing options to help you get everything that you want without compromise, we'll show you how. If that's not something that you want to do, that's perfectly fine too. We offer a variety of financing programs, everything from HELOCs to no payment, no interest plans, to simple term loans. It all depends on what's the best fit for you, your credit profile, and your comfort level. And of course, for those folks that have plenty of cash, that's always an option. It's your home, it's your money, it's your design. We're here to show you what's possible and let you decide what makes sense. At HomePride, we do two things incredibly well. We design beautiful, safe bathrooms, and we make them amazingly affordable. Not by pushing, but by partnering. If what you've heard so far feels like the right direction, if it sounds like we might be the kind of partner you've been looking for, then we'd love to meet you and hear about your goals and explore your project together. No pressure, no assumptions. We'll move forward together. If not, that's okay too. Either way, we'll shake hands and part as friends. So I hope this video has helped you feel more informed, more confident, and more prepared to take that next step, whatever it looks like for you. So thanks for watching, and we'll be here if and when you're ready.